Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. कल US stock markets closed mixed and आज Asian equities are showing an uptick. तो एक risk on mood है और dollar index is flat. US bond yields are slightly higher and oil prices are inconsequential at this point in time. तो इसके लिए USD INR doesn't have any fresh trigger. It's been in a range for a very long time and continues to be so. 83.25 के आसपास है spot reference. So what are the trades that you have? The trades which you have are very simple. You wait for a pullback towards 83.10 on the spot and then go long with a stop below 83 on a closing basis. Again, on a closing basis. And ऊपर में 83.40, 83.50 this range में this rally basically fizzles out. This range should eventually break. We don't know whether it will happen now or post-election, but this range should eventually break because it's been this range since August. August से 83 के ऊपर ही largely USD INR sustain किया है, but 83 के ऊपर sustain किया मतलब it did not travel much higher. 83.40, 83.45, thereabouts it got stuck. So in a very narrow range of 40-50 paisa since August of last year. So generally, such long period of very small range is an indicative that a big volatility is coming. शायद कोई major trigger needs to happen, but otherwise it is pretty clear based on historical cycles that we are at the bottom end of the low volatility cycle, and sooner rather than later this volatility is going to change and we'll see a very high volatility. So be careful about it. Don't get into the complacency zone कि RBI ने पूरा control कर लिया है and USD INR will not see volatility. That's not the case because ये चीज हम लोगों ने पहले भी point out किया है कि RBI is not really targeting the absolute volatility or the exchange rate level. They are always focusing on the relative scale, मतलब relative valuation of the Indian rupee. So it should be stable compared to its peers. And secondly, it should be relatively low volatile because globally volatility has collapsed in 2023. That's why absolute terms में rupee looks to be almost dead flat. अगर यही global volatility picks up, you will see in absolute terms Indian rupee becoming quite volatile like it was in 2022. So it is not time to be complacent and volatility regime can shift and they can shift rapidly. Or if you are caught on the wrong foot and if you don't take evasive action, you can end up with very large losses when the volatility regime shifts. So it's very important to keep that in mind. Because you just thought process at this time is different is something which kills a lot of people in the financial markets. Now, coming to the trading strategies, we discussed about buying on dips closer to 83.10 or 83 kind of level at the stop below 83. At the same time, you can go short straddles or strangles, but keep two things in mind. Ek, you got to have a stop loss, and dusra is that because the risk reward is very, very bad, the premiums are ultra compressed. Do only small quantities, not large quantities. Do only small trades. Cross currencies में Euro INR, GBP INR can offer a buying opportunity today. अगर ऐसा कोई opportunity present होता है, we'll intimate you through our Telegram channel. Yen INR continues to be sell on rise. Positionally, जब तक dollar yen is holding above 140, the carry trade or the short view on the yen INR is intact. And on the yen INR, that level would be something like 59.60, 59.80, depending on where the USD INR is. So shorts, positional shorts need to maintain a stop above, let's say a ballpark figure of 60. 60 के ऊपर अगर yen INR is trading, exit all your positional shorts in yen INR. Otherwise, you can continue to build on rise. आज US NFP will be very, very important. कल US ADP numbers, jobs report जो था, that was better than expectation. And at the same time, the jobless claims were a little better. The services PMI was better. So आज देखना है and US NFP jobs data कैसा आता है. अगर that also comes in stronger, then we can see a rally in the dollar index which is going to be beneficial for the carry traders, and we can see a slight uptick in the USD INR too. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.